All right. It's Brian Farrell, and I'm back. So today we're going to go ahead and make a quick little update, show you what's going on here in 2022 as we have been working with different kinds of crypto. Let's kind of show you guys where we've been at, show some updates, see if things are still paying out, and kind of give you a little refresh on what's been happening in the world of crypto. So today, everything we talk about is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. You know the routine. Do your own due diligence and don't spend money you cannot afford to lose. Alright, so we're going to get into StakeBNB. Now, I showed you guys this previously in my other videos. I made a video a few weeks back, and it was right here, 4 ways to earn BNB through BSC passively, and that's the Binance Smart Chain. So it's a great video. It shows you all how to get started and get going with 4 different ways you can earn BNB passively from this one website here, and this website is StakeBNB. So today we're just going to go ahead and do a quick follow-up, show you what's happening, and we're going to do a withdrawal request and make sure we are still getting paid out with this StakeBNB. All right. So essentially, the StakeBNB site is a way that you can earn passive income, and it's basically through DeFi yield farming. All right, and I've shown this before, but you can actually enjoy 80% yields up to 1.25% per day on your BNB assets. Now, this is not a guaranteed amount because this is not a smart contract telling you you're going to guarantee you're going to get this certain amount every single day, but you will earn up to 1.25% based on how the markets are doing, as this company is using your assets to actually invest into other potential opportunities, and then you reap some of those rewards when they bring them back to this website here. Basically, you're just going to stake your BNB, starting with at least 0.1 BNB. You'll then farm those profits. They'll do it for you, and then you can recycle your profits to earn and grow your more BNB faster. All right. You're going to earn every hour from the minimum of 0.1 BNB, and you guys can read through this information. Like I said, I showed you previously how to go ahead and get started in this program. All you need is a wallet that supports the Binance Smart Chain. I use MetaMask. You can use Trust Wallet. It's all good. If you do decide to share it with somebody, then you do get paid 5% commission on the first level, and you get paid on down continuously as people come in underneath you. You also can get a farming boost, which allows you to earn profits faster if you choose to do so. It's an optional option there. That's the second way to make profits. The third way to make profits is through the bonus pool here, the farm boost. That's 25% of all global sales split equally between members who qualify. For that, you got to have at least 10 BNB staked. And finally, you have your team share. So withdrawal rewards are paid instantly to you from all active members in your downline. Each time a member in your network initiates a withdrawal, a bonus split is immediately shared with you in BNB. These micropayments can occur hundreds, even thousands of times each month. And then on your first level, you get 1% of their withdrawal. You'll get a 1% on level 2s and 3. Then level 4, you get 0.5%. Level 5, you get 0.5%. So I point this out because I saw that there was a few people that decided they want to go ahead and join the network here. This is what it looks like on the inside of StakeBNB. I have 2 accounts with this, so you can get 2 accounts as well if you choose to. It's up to you. But the key thing here is it does take money to make money, okay? So the minimum amount to start is 0.1 BNB. Go right here to stake. You can see how much that's worth. 0.1 BNB currently is at $49 roughly. 0.25 is an option right here at $124. You choose 0.5, 1, 2.5, 5, all the way up to 100 BNB, okay? So when you actually stake that, the goal here is that you will continue to earn on this staked profit until you have earned 2.5 times your actual staked amount. So my 0.1 BNB will continue to earn me until it is paid out 0.25 BNB, okay? But the key here is that money makes money, okay? So you gotta get started. And I point that out because I have 4 people in my network here, and I see that some of these people actually joined the network, but when they joined the network, they didn't stake any BNB, and therefore, even though they joined in December or in January, they are not actually getting paid anything because they didn't put in any money. So here's the key here, okay? In order for you to have this bonus split, or in order for you to get paid off of these different ways from this program, you gotta actually have money invested in the farm. If you don't put money in, then you can't get money out. Okay, so here's the key right here. You are qualified to earn commissions each time a member in your team stakes their BNB. You must have an active stake to continue to earn commissions from your team, and you'll earn 5% on level 1, 3% on level 2, 2% on level 3, 1 on level 4, and a half on level 5. Okay, so unfortunately, these folks here who decided they wanted to get more information on the program, that's great, but they didn't take the next step, is actually getting started with a minimum of 0.1 BNB. Right now it's only 50 bucks, so it's really easy to get started, and therefore they're not earning any money. So if they bring anyone else into the program, they're not earning any money, and they're also not earning any money themselves. So I want to point that out to you. You know, money makes money in this program here. You don't have to refer anyone, but if you do refer, then of course you can make more money faster. All right, cool. So with that being said, let's go ahead and we'll jump over to my other account. We're gonna make a quick withdrawal on the other account here, and that way we can go ahead and make sure that this is still paying out. Okay, so here we are at my second account. We're gonna go ahead and make a withdrawal. You do have to have a minimum of $10 earned to be able to withdraw. So we'll go ahead and start that withdrawal process right now. You'll see it tells you this amount we're going to withdraw here. This is the address we're going to withdraw to. There is the admin fees and the team share bonus you get. Okay, so the total amount actually going to withdraw here is going to be this amount right here. Okay, so to withdraw, you're going to go ahead and put in your PIN number. I'll go ahead and stick that in here now real quick. All right, so my withdrawal request has been confirmed. Please allow 24 to 48 hours for withdrawal to be processed. Now, this is not a smart contract, and if it was a smart contract, you would get paid out instantly, but because it's not, we've got to wait for the payments to actually get approved, which I have no worries in that because I did get my last payout sent to my wallet directly. Last time I made the video and updates on New Year's Eve. Let me go ahead and show you that now. All right, so here are the payments that I received for my New Year's Eve request. These are the payments I got paid out on New Year's Day. So just showing the fact that we actually got paid over the holiday on a weekend was a great sign that this program is actually paying out. Even though it's not a smart contract, it is actually paying out because they took care of me on the holiday and the weekend as well. So we'll go ahead and wait for the next payment to get approved, and we'll go ahead and show that that one's getting paid out as well, just like the original ones. All right. StakeBNB is now showing that the withdrawals that we made on yesterday have been approved for 0.03 BNB on the Binance Smart Chain. We'll jump over to the wallet, make sure we got that, and yeah, see it here. So it was received 4 hours ago, 0.03 BNB directly to the wallet. Now, with that being said, this brings to the end of our StakeBNB review and show you that it is paying out still. It's a great program to earn BNB passively by DeFi yield farming. You do earn up to 1.25% per day in BNB through the Binance Smart Chain. And you don't just hodl your crypto, you grow it. Grow it by staking with StakeBNB. Allow the website to go ahead and farm that through their different auto farming technology. And then you will also go ahead and be able to cycle those profits into making more profits, which is just one of the 4 ways you can earn from this website. And below this video, I will go ahead and drop the link to my previous video when I went ahead and described in detail all 4 ways you can earn from this website. It's a really great program. You do not need to refer anyone. Of course, like anything else, if you do refer, share it with someone else, you will go ahead and you will make money from them making their deposits or the other various ways they can earn from this program as well. But like I said, you must have an active stake in order to actually earn from anyone you bring onto your team as well. Okay, so with that being said, this is StakeBNB. We're going to go out, let you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Get started. Below this video, you will find the link to get started. You will also find the like button, smash that. You also find the subscribe button, smash that. Next to that, you'll see the bell icon and smash that. That way you get notified each and every time I make a brand new video about how to make crypto passively here in 2022 for me, you, and your financial future. This is Brian Farrell. Have a good night.